Hi guys, it's Bethany and welcome back to the channel. So, I'm out of breath. I ran upstairs to get a headband because my hair is just like one of those days today. So, this is an IPSY video, and I've been waiting a very long time for my IPSYs. Here they are. I did some add-ons this time, but if you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, thanks for coming back. I have tons of videos, which is crazy, but you will be seeing my face a lot. Before we get started, let me just tell you about my eyelashes. So they are not fake, but I think I have figured out. These are both Essence products, and this one I just got recently. This is the Essence Lash Princess. I used it a few times now on some of my videos. I will leave those links if you want to see them after. This is the Sculpted Volume. I got it from Ulta, and I'll show you the wand really quick. It is curved, so you can see it's bent, and it really does like whoosh. Okay, so and then this is Essence You Better Work. This is supposed to be length, definition, and it's gym proof, waterproof. So I put this one on, which is the perfect one for underneath, like the lower lashes, so I did that. But I put this one on first to kind of like, you know, separate them. And then I used the volume one twice. So I did this, and then I did this side, and then I went back. And they definitely pulled apart and fanned out like no. That actually works. That combination is working. And on my lips is the Joie color in Boardwalk that I got in a BoxyCharm a while ago. I have no foundation on. I didn't even do my eyebrows. I put on Glow Recipe, the watermelon moisturizer, so I do have like a little bit of glow. So anyway, let's get into this because on add-ons. And there's a bunch of stuff in the bag, so always check your bags. And this is the $12 Glam Bag. So I don't have a card, so I'll just be giving you the brief of what I got. So here is the bag. It's sort of see-through, if you cannot tell. It does feel a little cheapy cheap. Not the best one. Seems smaller. It has the cute little tassel with an airplane, so that's cute, and it says escape, so that's really nice. I'm gonna pull out the card. It says take a break. That's July's month, and then it just tells you how to create your ultimate beauty staycation. That's cute. So the first thing on my list, and I'm gonna start digging in my bag, is the Hemp's Citrine Crystal and Quartz Body Lotion. I have one hemp thing upstairs, and I think it's in the original. Oh, it doesn't have a seal, so. Oh, that smells so nice. It actually smells like pineapples. So it says positive body and soul, enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. This is nice. I usually keep lotions and stuff by my bed. Yeah, I'm smelling pineapples. It says citrine, and maybe that's an extract of some sort of citrus. But it smells amazing. And this is 2.25 fluid ounces or 66 Vito. We seen Levito in BoxyCharm, and this is a small little sample size. It is 15 mLs or 0.5 fluid ounces. It is a hydrating facial cleanser. Oh, okay. Cleanse, refresh, and restore for normal to dry skin. Pomegranate peel, orange blossom, and carrot. That's super nice. Nice little packaging. Safety seal, which is perfect, so I'm not even going to touch it. I do have some Levito body cream, and it smells awesome, and it's like very orangey, so hopefully it's similar. And I will try this out, and it has a little picture of a pomegranate right there. Okay, next is in a little package, which I probably will keep it in. It's Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow in gold base. What's an eyeshadow? I am not gonna keep it, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'll put it in a giveaway. So it says gold, and there you go. This is a decent size, really, and it is very gold. Is KVD Vegan Beauty. Oh, look at how tiny this guy is. Tattoo liner, waterproof liquid liner in Trooper Black. I got this same one, and this doesn't even have a seal or anything. I got the same one in that Inkwell liner. So I like this one better because I like this type of eyeliner. So I will keep that. We have Thrive Cosmetics, and you guys have heard of Thrive Cosmetics. They do give back. That's why it says Cosmetics. And this is a lip fuller lip liner, semi-permanent micro pigment technology in the color Gislin. It's a plum mauve, and there's the color there. And I will show you the pen. I like these type of colors. Very, very pretty. I used to be a plum girl back in the day. So that was it for my actual bag. So I got the Thrive Cosmetics. This is full size. So sometimes you do get a full size product for 12 bucks. I believe Thrive is $20, if not more, for just one of those. And got the Space Case eyeshadow. I got the Hemp's body lotion or hand lotion, the Levito cleanser. I feel like I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, that was it for what actually came in the bag. So I have a whole nother bag and a bunch that they threw in here because I went nuts. I added on a Luxie brush. This is the 205 tapered blending brush because I love brushes. And it is a tapered with a nice chisel here, and it even says what kind of brush it is there. Nice feathered out, okay. There was the SL Miss Glam, which I haven't seen in a while, and they're so gorgeous. The packaging is so stunning and pretty. You got some pink and gold flecks in there, and it's another blending brush. It says what kind it is here, but I'll read it. It is Eye Blender Brush E25. Pure Lease Radiant Glow BB Cream SPF 30 in the color light medium. This is 7 ml, 0.24 fluid ounces. It has a seal. And that is perfect. It Cosmetic, the Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil and Universal Taupe. I added this on because I got a little tiny sample size of one, and this is pretty decent. So it looks like that's the pen and that's the spoolie. That is really nice, and I've heard great reviews. It even says it right here, #1 selling. If you could see that, it's on the sticker, so it's hard to see. Awesome. Next, I got the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh, it smells amazing. Kind of like what I just put on my face right now. So this is 10 mLs. And then I have another brush. No. Okay, so another pack here. Let's open it up. Pretty full. This actually came first. So I know I just went crazy. So please forgive me. They're all such good deals. I mean, for like $3, like why wouldn't you? So I added this little bundle here. It was a duo, and you got the IPSY Glow Tonic, which I am currently using and I highly recommend. This is the Glow Tonic. It has 5% glycolic acid, and this is how many mLs? There's 15 mLs. Perfect for traveling. And it came with a Han Hu Watermelon Illuminating Overnight Serum. And this is a Korean brand. So you put this on overnight. That was really cute. Some more brushes. So I already have this RSLE brush, but I love it. So if you don't have any RSLE fluffy blending brushes, they are really nice. And this looks like another SL Miss Glam, but it has turquoise and purple, and it's like all of my favorite colors. Look at that. And it's a nice tapered, fluffier brush. Then I have two more brushes. It was Crown. Oh yay! I seen somebody comment that Crown has great brushes, and I think it was in the chat last night. So now I have one, and it's a double-ended brush, which I actually enjoy. So this is like a flatter side, and this is more of like you want to put it in your corner, or you want to work just fine for me. And then I did hear True Once, I think, told me about this thing to keep it on the brush to kind of like, you know, keep it nice and fluffy. So this is like an angled contour brush. This is a Farrah brush, which I love. I have a few Farrah brushes, and this is a 160F face brush, and it has like a marbled finish. Okay guys, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. As usual, what did you think of my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of July? Want a million subscribe, please hit that subscribe button before you start or on your way out. And let me know. I have the referral codes for IPSY if you're interested. You can always start and stop. It's one of those kind of subscriptions. So anyway, comment, like, share, subscribe, and as always guys, stay safe.